Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. Happy Friday. I'm Dummy Boy, and this is going to be a weekly style video. I'm going to talk about 4 stocks that I've mentioned on this channel. The 4 stocks that I've mentioned on this channel as buys and long-term holds are Scorpio Tankers, iQIYI, Neolithium, and Tellurian. So I am going to show you guys my average cost for those positions, and I'm also going to show you how they're doing today. So because I've talked about these, I want to stay true to myself. I want to stay true to you guys. I also want to keep a track record of how I've been doing, because performance is all that matters in the market, and performance comes credibility. So those of you who are watching, if I'm just blindly telling you to pick stocks or buy stocks, if I don't put my money where my mouth is, or I don't have the credibility, why should you guys be following me? So this is kind of a journal for myself as well to track my performance. So first stock that I ever talked about on this channel is my favorite stock, and I called it the best investment of 2020, and that is Scorpio Tankers, STNG. So this is a screenshot of my portfolio. Again, I'm not going to show you the amounts in dollars. I just want to focus on the percentages because performance is the only thing that matters. So as you guys can see right here at the top, we are trading today at $13.62 at the end of market close. You can see my average price here at $8.64, and it is about half my portfolio. Total return is 57.68%. Not bad. So now if we look at Scorpio Tankers on the daily time frame, Scorpio Tankers has had a crazy last couple days, as you guys can see by these 2 big green candles. We broke through 2 trading zones in 2 trading days, which is unheard of for this stock. Those of you who have been following this stock know that every time you see a green day, it is followed up by a month of red. But we finally got to break out of 2 trading patterns, which was really nice to see. And so this is a hold for the future. This is a hold for the next 2-3 years, in my opinion. I have these 4 lines of support and resistance, and I think anything below this line right here at $13.93 is a steal. I think this company is going to give back a lot of share value to shareholders. If you guys want to know why I'm so bullish on STNG, I have a video on my channel explaining why I think it's the best investment of 2020. So if you guys want, go click on that video and go through that. But I'm not going to go deeper into that. We had an amazing day today, up almost 8.5%. STNG is doing solid. We are looking for a break of this $13.93 back test, and we should keep running. So I'm very excited to see what happens on Monday. The second stock that I talked about was iQIYI. At market close today, ticker symbol IQ is trading at $19.62. You can see my average price here at $16.83. It's about 9% of my portfolio, and we are up about 17%. I've only been in this play for about a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks, so it is nice to see this thing climbing. If we look at IQ on the daily time frame, we have been in a trading pattern since IPO, and we are still carrying that momentum forward. So I buy here, you guys saw at $16.84, which was around the bottom of this drop. So again, I am not playing through emotions, the news, or whatever else I see. I trade charts. Charts tell a bigger story than the news does. News instills emotion. I am not an emotional trader. I just look at the facts. Facts here was we were trading at the bottom of a support line. So I snagged up some shares and I started a position, and thankfully I did, because we are starting to bounce back up. But iQIYI, amazing week so far. We are up about 4.2% today, and I will look for a stronger build onto this stock next week. The third stock that I talked about was Tellurian, ticker symbol TELL. I recently made this on January 1st. So as you can see at the top, it is trading at $1.48 USD. I got in at $1.26. It's only about 3% of my portfolio, but we are up 17.5%. So again, this stock just kept climbing ever since I made the video, got in, and we're up a cool 17.5%, something I like to see. So if we look at Tellurian on the daily time frame, again, I mapped out these 2 patterns that we were trading in for a little bit, and then I mapped out this line of support, and this is exactly where I had started my position. We bled down a little bit below this point, and I decided to open up a position in this one. I've been following this stock for quite a bit, and I have entered and exited this stock a whole bunch of times. My first position was in around 90 cents, and I did day trade this for a little bit, but now I am holding long. I believe in the company fundamentals. I believe in LNG for the future. I think this company is going to do very well, and I think this is a very cheap price to buy Tellurian. Again, anything under $2, I think this company is a steal, but we are up a healthy 7% today on Tellurian. Last but not least, the last stock I talked about was Neolithium, ticker symbol NLC. So we could see NLC is trading at $2.47 today. I got in at around $2.14, only about 3.5% of my portfolio, but we are up a cool 15.5%. This stock I've had on my watch list since about $1.50, but I wanted to see how it traded. But it just kept going up, and I was waiting for the red day. I never got the red day, so then I did end up chasing it up to that 214. But again, it's still climbing up. Ever since I made the video on Neolithium, we haven't had a red day except for right now. So if we look at NLC on the daily time frame, this is a very healthy run up in my opinion. You have a run, you have some consolidation, you have another run, you have some consolidation, and now you have a larger run. I am looking for some consolidation here in this 230 to 240 range because we do have a gap to fill here on the downside. I would not be surprised if we trade sideways until here. As somebody who invests in stocks, I don't like when a stock just shoots to the moon because then that fall is going to be just as quick. I like a stair-step type of pattern where you have some consolidation because it really does set a foundation for trading and it does keep that support level consistent. So NLC, since I made the video at about $1.99, is now up to $2.47. That was just a quick little video on some of the stocks that I'm holding in this specific portfolio. I started this portfolio probably the middle of 2020, and all I can go by is my credibility and my performance. So I wanted to show you guys exactly what I'm holding and exactly at what price I'm holding it at. So I'm not saying follow everything that I say, nor am I saying I am perfect. I make mistakes, everybody makes mistakes, but what I'm showing you is just my track record and my credibility. So if you do want to follow me and you do like the trades that I make and the style of investing I do, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Dummy Boy. This is Dummy Boy Finance, and I will see you guys in the next one.